So our topic for today is the Filipino farmer in the context of socio-cultural and economic status, needs, and aspiration. So here in the Philippines, so we need to determine what our needs and aspiration as a farmer here in the Philippines. So let's proceed with the definition. So the Filipino farmer is essential to agricultural sector and food security in the Philippines. So the farmer here in the Philippines is very important because we need food, shelter, and etc. So here in the Philippines, the farmer is very important also. So despite their importance, so importante talaga ang kanang farmers sa Pilipinas. So farmers face numerous sociocultural and economic challenges that impact their livelihoods and aspirations. So na sila yung mga ma-face na mga kanang positive impact dito sa Pilipinas. So first is socio-cultural. Farming is integral to the Filipino cultural identity with traditional practices and festivals. So nasa yung mga socio-cultural practices just like festivals. So for example, sa festival is Mascara Festival. So dito sa socio-cultural na practices nila dito sa Mascara Festival is gina-practice nila ni kay pag-harvest sa sugarcane or tubo. So close to tayo to agricultural cycle. So mga kung nila is member siya sa kining festival is member siya sa agricultural cycles kay mong cultural. Ano siyang culture sa mga Pilipino ang festival if yun sa nila pag-harvest. And farming is typically a family endeavor. So mapasa-pasa siya ang farming kay gikan sa papa, gikan sa anak, mapasa-pasa ba murag ma-adapt sa mga anak ang gikan sa pagtanong. So fostering cooperation and knowledge. So cooperation, so kailangan cooperation ang usa ka farmer pagtanong or pag-farming or pag-crops sa usa ka tanong kay dili lang mabuhat sa usa ka tawo kundi mabuhat na sa tanan. Kailangan cooperation kanang tibo-tibo na paghimo. And knowledge, so maka-adapt pag knowledge about sa pag-farming kay siyempre mo trabaho mo ka. And transfer across generation. So ingon ako rin mapasa-pasa siya through papa, anak, and so and pagka sunod-sunod sa mga family. And farmers rely on community networks for assistance, enhancing resilience through shared. So, dili mo mabuhat ang sa farming kung wala ang suporta sa society or economy kay siyempre, asa ka magbuhat mga kanang seats, diba, sa community or sa government.
Many farmers live below the poverty line, facing unstable incomes due to the market volatility and climate challenges. Limited access to land ownership, primitive and modern farming technologies hampers productivity. Barriers to direct market access often lead to exploitation by middlemen, reducing farmers' needs. Increased access to affordable loans and insurance is critical for investment in farming improvements. Farmers need training in modern agricultural techniques and business management for enhanced productivity. Improve rural infrastructure such as roads and irrigation system is necessary for better market access. Ginapa-increase nila ang access to affordable loans. Para sa pag-invest yan sa mga farming, para na sila yung mga improvements ba sa mga unsay mga needs sa mga farmers, murag balik training na po na nila sa ilahang mga agricultural techniques para mas ma-enhance pa nila ilahang business, para ma-enhance nila ang ilahang business productivity. Aspirations. Farmers seek stable incomes to support their families and improve living coordinations. There is a growing interest in adapting sustainable agricultural practices for long-term resilience. Farmers aspire to a stronger community support system and cooperative for collective bargaining power. Many hope for better educational opportunities for their children to break the cycle of poverty. So, aspirations. So, ang mga farmers daw is, naging sila ang kining stable gani nga income para masuportahan nila ilang families. So, para po, as a farmer, di ba, need pang binato ang kining stable na trabaho, stable nga income, para ma-improve po nato to ang kining panginabuhi sa like para po ma-break nato ang para sa kuan po sa sunod nato nga generation atong mga anak sunod ma-break nato ang kining cycle gani sa kining poverty or kining kalisod.
Sir, good afternoon everyone. Filipino farmers play a critical role in the agricultural sectors, and the viruses, institutions, and support system are essential for their development as sustainability. This report summarizes the key institutions and mechanisms that provide support to Filipino farmers. The text in the image discusses the Filipino important role farmers play in the agricultural sectors and the necessity of support system of their development and sustainability.
A government institution is Department of Agriculture, the primary government agency responsible for agriculture policy, research and development. It implements programs for crop productions, livestock management, and rural development. So, ang government agriculture ang nagapaunlad or nagapatupad sa mga production sa mga agriculture. Sa Agricultural Credit Policy Council is provides financial assistance and credits program aimed to proving farmers access to typically for investments and agriculture. So ang agriculture credit policy is sila ang nagpahusay sa mga access sa mga magsasaka diri sa agricultural credit policy or sila ay naghatag og mga kapital para sa mga farmers. Sa Philippine Crop Insurance Corporations is bali makilahok og mga insurance like mga nag-aaral mga seedlings or mga seeds na makaver sa mga agriculture like mga magsasaka para maprotektahan or makuha na ilang pagkalugi sa ilang farm.
Cooperatives. Local cooperatives help farmer pool resources access markets and negotiate better prices for their products. Various associations advocate for farmers' rights, provide training and facilitate access to government programs and resources. So ang local cooperative kay mao ni sila nagatabang sa mga farmers nga sa ilahang resources access market o nagatabang po sila sa paghatag og tarong nga presyo sa ilahang produkto. So ang farmers association is mao ni sila ang nagahatag og hiring about sa right sa mga farmers nag-provide po sila og training og naga-facilitate sa mga access ngadto sa gobyerno.
Non-government organization of NGOs. NGOs such as Kagawad Kalinga na Philippine Rural Reconstruction Movement provide training, resources, and support for sustainable farming practices and rural development. NGOs often conduct workshops and training sessions to educate farmers on modern agricultural techniques and business management. Ang NGOs daw ay nag-provide sila ng mga training resources about sa farming and mga development about farming and kanang mga farmers board makakuan sila maka-adapt sila og bagong mga technique about sa farming.
Financial institution, microfinancial institutions. These organizations offer small loans and financial services tailored to the needs of farms in need. them to invest in their farms. Microfinance institution is mao ni sila to institution nga ay organization nga nagapapaan og mga loans kanang mga ginagmay lang na mga loans para sa ilahang pag-invest sa ilahang farms. Kanang mga loans nga makatabang sa ilaha para mulago ang ilahang farms. Ang sa commercial banks, Save Bank provides agricultural loans with favorable terms, promoting investment and farming operation. Ang sa commercial banks is katong mga example na nila katong like BDO, land banks or kanang mga inana is dito nila ginabutang ang ilang mga kita kanang pagdagko na sila gusali dito na nila gina-deposit dito na nila gina-withdraw ang ilang nakita based sa ilang pag-farm.